my bones and flesh of my
Mga
flesh.
ka-8, ka-DJ,
She shall be called
nakaseta po kami ngayon dito sa Endayas Cove
for
Resort.
she was taken out of man.
Ito po yung
For
gamit
this
kong
reason,
isang
a
wireless na
man will
US
leave
Audio
his father
FV812
and mother
dual
and be
mic
united
wireless.
to his wife,
Ang nagsasalita po ay
and they
nandito
will
dito.
become
Ayan po yung
one
receiver.
flesh.
Ito po ang nagsasalita.
A very pleasant morning to all of you. This very hour, we shall witness the blessings of
Ayun po sa
God
baba.
in the life of Mr. Angelo Endaya and Miss Florence Garcia, where they will become one today. To continue with, let us welcome
mga
the
kapatid.
following important people to witness the very special occasion. The officiating minister, Reverend
Yan po ang layo ng
Hector C. Gonzalez.
Nagsasalita sa receiver ng US Audio. Okay. Siguro may mga 30 meters.
Dapat ko sa baba.
Pero okay pa rin siya.
Okay.